In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from editing Gamma projects quickly and safely, so you can keep full control over who can make changes to your work. This is really useful if you shared a project with a teammate, a client, or a collaborator, and now you want to lock it down, stop accidental edits, or simply change their role from editor to viewer. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's jump into it. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the site loads, sign into your Gamma account using the email address connected to the project you want to manage. After you're signed in, locate the project where that person currently has editing access and open it. Take a moment to make sure you're working in the correct project, especially if you have multiple presentations or documents inside Gamma. Next, look toward the top right area of the screen and click the Share button. This is where Gamma keeps the collaboration and access settings for your project. When the sharing panel opens, you'll see a list of people who currently have access. Find the person's name or email in that access list. If you shared the project with several people, double-check carefully so you don't change the wrong account. Once you find the correct person, click the permission drop-down next to their name. Gamma should show their current role, which may say Can Edit. To stop them from making changes, switch their access from Can Edit to Can View. If Gamma gives you the option to remove access instead, and you want them completely gone from the project, you can choose that as well. This is the best option if they no longer need any access at all. If Gamma asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and approve it. After that, their editing permission will be removed, and they will no longer be able to modify your Gamma project. They may still be able to view it if you set them to Can View, but they won't be able to change the content anymore. If you removed access entirely, they won't have access to the project at all. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can take someone out of editor mode and protect your Gamma project from unwanted changes. And if you manage shared projects often, this is a great habit to build so you can keep your workspace organized and secure. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.